Ladies and gentlemen, this particular caves that we see over here are all carved out from a single rock, and then there have been this design that has been put on top. But what I had been told long back ago, credit for finding this actually goes to the students of Dempe College. Now what had happened, they say, was there were two trucks that were going for the NSS camp over here, and one truck remained behind with the equipment. Because they were not going to get lost, one of the trucks stopped here, and the boys came here to answer the call of nature, because this was just a very bushy part over here. And when he was answering the call of nature, he saw something that he was fascinated. He saw a lot of the stones, and he saw that kalash type of a stone that had been cut over there. And he informed his professor, who in turn informed late Dr. Mitra Gotri, who was working here in the local archaeology department, and he did a research, and it was then that they removed all the mud and they brought to you one of the most fascinating cave structures in Goa, dwelling structures in Goa, just about 50 to 100 meters away from the Khandepar river.